Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Friberg with the Minnesota Virtual Academy. I am one of the middle school science teachers here at MNVA, and I'm actually entering my 17th year with MNVA. I started in elementary and I've moved to middle school. I currently teach, this year I'm teaching 7th grade life science, but I have taught both 7th and 8th grade science at the middle school level. I live in northern Minnesota, and if you know where Nisswa, Minnesota is, you're right on the money. So that's about a half an hour north of Brainerd. And I live on, if you look see that lake behind me, that's Upper Gull Lake, part of the Gull Lake chain. I have three kids. They are 25, 23, and 21, so they're much older. I'll explain who they are in just a minute. And I'm married to my husband, Troy, right here. My oldest, Mariah, is right here in the middle. As you can imagine, it's really hard once they get older to get everybody together in one big picture. So I have lots of little pictures here. But Mariah is 25. She lives in Bloomington. She works for Bobcat doing their social media marketing. Rachel, right over here, is my middle child. She is 23, and she is a nurse at St. Mary's Hospital in Duluth, and so she also lives in Duluth. And Colin is my 21-year-old, and he recently moved home, and so he's deciding to do some of his studying at home as well. And then we have two puppies. One is Yeti right here, that big white fluff ball. He's a Samoyed, and Finn is our yellow lab. Now, speaking of life science, we're going to be investigating the world of living things. So we're going to be exploring all types of organisms. We'll be looking at cells and how they work, that relationship between living things and their environments, and discovering the world of modern genetics. Now, I always have some tips for success. And the very first one is, I am here to help. So make sure you're reaching out and asking questions, attending your Class Connect sessions, and using the resources in the courses to help you. Make sure you log into the course every day and stay on track with your lessons and your assignments. And finally, do your best. I'm going to leave you with some contact information. You can always email me, you can send me a phone call or a quick Skype. There's also a way to schedule a one-on-one with me if you prefer, and maybe you just don't want to email or use the phone, but you'd rather do a one-on-one to get those answers, to get those questions answered that way. So at the very bottom of my emails, you'll see it in every email. There's a link right there. It reads my calendar, so it gives you what I have open. Once I get that email from you that it is available and you've booked that, I'll schedule that for you on Neuro. All right, well, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to working with all of you. Bye, everyone.